Hello everyone, today I am teaching you neon sign nails. This is a funky nail design that will brighten your day. If you love animal prints and bright colors, this design has it all. I am teaching you the neon nail zebra nail art step by step guide today. Number one step you should have to follow. Start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Number two step, using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish. Create wavy lines on your nails starting at the bottom of your nail and moving up diagonally. Make sure you create waves going in both directions and fill in any large gaps with more waves. Let's move to step number 3. With a dotting tool and take black nail polish. Place small and large dots on top of the zebra pattern you just created. Step number 4, using the dotting tool and neon nail colors such as pink and green and color you like it. Fill in the black circle with the neon colors. Step number 5, with a thin nail art brush and the black nail polish, draw a line straight down the middle of the circle. Step number 6, in order to complete the peace sign, make an inverted V shape stemming from the center line. Step number 7, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Hopefully today's video you like it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.